am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now's content for class 11 and NEET aspirant students for CBSE, ICSE and all boards. Unit 2, Structural Organization in Plants and Animals. Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Today I will discuss about the flower morphology. It is a part 3 video of the flower morphology. First, placentation. That is the arrangement of ovules. Placentation of flower is the distribution of ovules inside the ovary or cavity. That is also called locule. There are three parts. That is, first is marginal. The placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary and ovules are born on this ridge in two rows. Ovary type and unicular simple. Example P. Next part is axial. The placenta is axial, that is the central axis, and the ovules are attached to its the multilocular ovary. Ovary type is multilocular. Example China rose, tomato, lemon, etc. Next, parietal type. Ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or on peripheral parts. The ovary is one-chambered but becomes two-chambered due to the formation of a false septum. Example mustard, argemone, etc. Next, free central type. Ovules are born on a central axis and septa are completely absent. Ovary type is unilocular and example dianthus, primrose, etc. Basal part, the placenta develops at the base of the ovary and a single ovule is attached to it. Example sunflower, marigold, etc. Next, cohesion and adhesion of stamen. Cohesion, that is fusion among stamens themselves. First type has monoadiphylous. Stamens are fused into a single bundle or tube. Next, didelphous. Stamens are fused into two separate bundles. In peas, the arrangement is usually 9 plus 1 and fused one free. Next, polydelphous. Stamens are grouped into more than two bundles. Example citrus. Next, syngenesious. Anthers are fused but filaments remain free. Example sunflower. Next, synandrous. Both anthers and filaments are completely fused throughout their length. Example cucurbita. Next, adhesion, that is fusion of stamens with other wholes. Epipetalous. Stamens are attached to the petal. Example brinjal and Solanaceous family. Next, epiphyllous. Stamens are attached to the perianth tepals. Example lily family. Next, gynoecium core concept. When looking at the carpels, pay close attention to whether they are free or fused. That is the first part is the apocarpus, or first type is the apocarpus. Carpels are completely free from one and another. If pollinated, each carpel can form a separate fruitlet. Example lotus, rose, etc. Next, syncarpus. Carpels are fused together into a single unit. Example mustard, tomato, etc.